All right, so now we're going to do a dollar quickie in here. Multiple time frame analysis. I'm going to switch over in here. As we switch this to $DXY, I'm going to try to keep this into 60 seconds. This you can see in the dollar, the beautiful cyclical patterns. We expected a decline into this period. It bottomed a little early. We didn't think that the recent softness was going to continue. We could see the dollar rebounding in here. We're projecting up to a level of about 92. Though if the stock market gets absolutely slammed and interest rates go up a lot, it could get up here into the 94s. But we're looking right now for a move up here to about 92. When you look at that on the weekly pattern, when I look at the daily pattern, there's a compound inverted head and shoulders right in here. I know this is a messy chart. There's a lot to look at right there, but you can see that this cycle was due to bottom right over here, and look at that upward spike in the dollar. That's killing the gold market. And as we said, this projection up here to 92, these major resistances that you could see right over there, is pretty reasonable. So we're likely to see this move into the dollar in this safety bid that we're looking at right over here. So the dollar, that's your dollar quickie. We really see that there is a likelihood that we're going to see some continued upside in the dollar. That's going to probably mean weaker commodities as they begin to correct. Let's do a little quickie in the gold market right now as we switch over here and look at /GC. This is really super interesting when we look at this, because we had talked about the fact that the dollar's pattern in here was breaking down, and we've been warning and warning. Once it got under this level right over here, it suggests a major top. It did that 2 weeks ago as we put out the warning. It's coming down to that support here around 1692. It probably is going to get support there and then get a rally back into this area somewhere around 1800, but then there is a ton of risk over here. We have been really stressing the weakness in here. You can see in here that we put a note in here. Monthly cycle patterns have peaked. We revised this. Intermediate patterns have peaked, which is really bad. This wave down should be down to 1692, and then the next wave down here to about 1587 down over there. The ultimate bottom does not come until November. Here's your daily pattern right in here, and all kinds of breakdowns. You can see that period right there where we expected the decline. It rallied and then gave us a breakdown under 1784 and gave us all of these warnings. It's probably could rally into these resistance areas. This top one right over here is 1800, and then down again. Look at the slim ribbon PO giving you those sell signals and warnings in here, and the slim ribbon right in here. All of that negative volatility, all of that negative momentum giving you these warnings, as you could see in here. You want to learn more about this analysis, please do go to askSlim.com workshops, and you will see some great information in there. This is our level 2 trial membership. We are starting this right now for new subscribers. This will not last long, and this is the last time we will have this pricing right now. What this includes is the stock index report live stream that you can see. What that is live right on your computer. You don't need a special platform, of the S&P 500, NASDAQ, and Russell. I'll show you that in a moment. Our stock index report, which we put out every day, the snapshot, the SIR, you'll get that every single day. You'll get our weekly stock index report, our weekly ETF review, Slimulator momentum tracker, which is for position traders and investors. Over 1,000 different stocks that you could look at, ETFs, with our algorithms built into it. With momentum conditions, you're going to see fantastic stuff in there. Just amazing. You'll get our complete library, 600 plus videos in 9 categories that I've done, teaching all kinds of aspects and showing all kinds of analysis in the stock market, and our new trader workbench for trade planning. Absolutely amazing. What's more amazing, you'll get all of that for $22.50 the first month. There are even bigger discounts if you take quarterly discounts. How can you possibly pass this, especially if you're an active trader? Just go to askSlim.com, top of the main page. You'll see the special link there, and you'll be able to sign up for the 1 month or for the quarterly. Or if you have questions about that or have an issue with that link, then write to Matt at askSlim.com. Let me show you just some examples of what is in here. Just absolutely mind-boggling. This is the SIR live stream. Now, this was from the 24th. This was from Wednesday, the 24th. And this is for our intraday charts, really for short-term trading. These are 15-minute charts of the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and the Russell. What it has on here is what we call our reversal scout. This helps you with your directional decisions. And when it turns up, which it did the day before, you generally get upside moves. You're going to get our resistance levels right in here, and you're going to get our, these are called acceleration zones, the yellow ones. The probability when they enter the acceleration zone that they will continue is extremely high. You can get the numbers from that if you want. And once it gets in there, you can see it just explodes through. This is how you catch the big trades. And sometimes when it dips right into the support, as you could see right there and right there. Just absolutely great. And you can also see which are the strongest and weakest of these indexes, which was really clear as the NASDAQ was the weakest and the Russell was the strongest. And you could see that. It's incredible. That is what you saw on the up day on Wednesday. How about the down day on Thursday? Let's take a look right over here. And yes, what happened was you got this early downturn here in the reversal scout, and it went down all day long through all of those zones right over there. Just absolutely incredible. Through the acceleration zones where you catch the biggest trades, and then got into this area, but it was late in the day and couldn't even turn around, as you can see that. So just fantastic information here. How about what's going on today? Let's put it up live right now for you to see. Here you go. This is now live on my screen. And we started out the day choppy, moving down, but then when the reversal scout turned up, you can see what happened, and it came up right to resistance, and you're getting some resistance right over there. You get the NASDAQ moving up through those acceleration zones. Beautiful. Hits the resistance. Now pulling down. But you could see what's going on. What's the weakest index right now? Clearly the Russell. So if you wanted to be doing a pair trade, well, you would probably be buying NASDAQ today and shorting Russell. If you wanted to just buy and you didn't know which one, well, you could see which is the strongest one in here today, which is the NASDAQ. Just absolutely fantastic. In resistance right now, failing from resistance, getting through the acceleration zones, hitting resistance and backing off. If you're a short-term trader, I mean, this is just unbelievably fantastic information when you look at that. So that is a look at the live SIR live stream, and you can have this right on your charts. Just absolutely fantastic, amazing. Here is the library. 3 new videos every week, 9 categories, over 600 videos. I'm not going to read it to you. You can read it, but just incredible things. You could see Trader Psychology. Got lots of great things in there about how you can deal with personal issues that may be getting in your way of success. So just unbelievable stuff, including Future Speak, which we do every Wednesday, our certainly most popular member video. That's what's included. This is the only until March 14th. So this is essentially about 2.5 weeks. The final opportunity at this price for all of these great things that you're going to get. You saw that, $22.50 for a 1-month trial, quarterly discounts, bigger discounts. Go to askSlim.com, top of that main page, and you can sign up right there, or questions right to Matt at askSlim.